Hello everyone, this is Mamta Moon and today we'll learn and solve self-practice exercise question 5H, questions 1 to 5 of chapter 5. Chapter name is Fractions of class 6 of New Learning Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we learn today? Today we learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 5 page, questions 1 to 5. Chapter chapter is fractions and topics are converting fractions into equivalent fractions, reduced fraction to simplest form or mixed fractions into simplest form. Now we'll solve question number 2. Question number 2 is simplify and express the answer in simplest form or mixed fraction. First bit is 11 divided by 18 plus 1 divided by 6. 11 divided by 18 and 1 divided by 6 are the proper fraction. We have to add these two fractions. Converting this fraction, first we have to convert this fraction into equivalent fraction. Just multiplying the same number with both numerator and denominator, which is equal to the LCM of the denominator 18 and 6. First find out the LCM of 18 and 6. We know prime factorization of 18 is 6 multiplied with 3 and prime factorization of 6 is 6. So LCM of 18 and 6 is 6 multiplied with 3, that is equal to 18. Now we have to convert this fraction 11 divided by 18 into equivalent fraction equal to the denominator, which is equal to 18. So we know denominator 18 multiplied with 1 is 18, which is equal to the LCM of 18 and 6. So multiply the same number 1 with both numerator and denominator of 11 divided by 18. So multiply the numerator 11 with 1, we get 11, and multiply the denominator 18 with 1, we get 18. So we get 11 divided by 18, which is equivalent fraction of the fraction 11 divided by 18. Now convert the fraction 1 divided by 6 into equivalent fraction equal to the LCM of 18 and 6, which is 18. So we know multiply the denominator 6 with 3, we get 18. So we have to multiply the same number 3 with both numerator and denominator of the fraction 1 divided by 6. Multiply the numerator 1 with 3, we get 3, and multiply the denominator 6 with 3, we get 18. So we get 3 divided by 18, which is equivalent fraction of 1 divided by 6. Now we get two equivalent fraction 11 divided by 18 and 3 divided by 18, whose denominator is equal to the LCM of 18 and 6, that is 18. Both have same denominator, same LCM 18. Now we have to add these two fractions. 11 divided by 18 plus 1 divided by 6. 11 divided by 18 is 11 divided by 18, which is equivalent fraction of 11 divided by 18, and 3 divided by 18 is the equivalent fraction of 1 divided by 6. So add these two fractions 11 divided by 18 plus 3 divided by 18. Denominators are equal 18, so just add the numerator only. 11 plus 3 is 14 and denominator is 18. So we get 11 plus 3 is 14, 14 divided by 18. So we get 11 divided by 18 plus 1 divided by 6 is equal to 14 divided by 18. Now we solve question number second bit B. 3 divided by 7 plus 5 divided by 21. We have to add these two fractions. First we have to find out the LCM of the fraction of denominator 7 and 21. We have to convert these two fractions into equivalent fraction. First we have to find out the LCM of the denominator 7 and 21. LCM of 7 and 21 is 7 multiplied with 3, which is equal to 21. Now 3 divided by 7 plus 5 divided by 21. LCM of 7 and 21 is 21. Write down 21 and multiply and divide the 21, divide LCM with the denominator 7, which is equal to 3. Then multiply 3 with the numerator 3. Numerator is 3, multiply with the 21 divided by 7. 21 divided by 7 is 3. 3 multiply with 3 is 9. Then divide the LCM 21 with the denominator 21, we get 1. Then 1 multiplied with the numerator 5, we get 5. Now we get 9 plus 5, which is equal to 14. 14 divided by 21. 14 divided by 21. Now we have to find out the highest common factor of 14 and 21. Highest common factor of 14 and 21 is 7, which is the common factor between 14 and 21. Now we have to divide the numerator and denominator with that HCF of 14 and 21. Divide the numerator 14 with 7, we get 14 divided by 7 is 2, and divide the denominator 21 with the HCF, that is 7. 21 divided by 7 is 3. Now we get 2 divided by 3, which is the simplest form of the fraction of the addition of these two fractions, 3 divided by 7 plus 5 divided by 21. So we get 3 divided by 7 plus 5 divided by 21 equal to 2 divided by 3. Now we'll solve question number 3rd bit C. 3 divided by 4 plus 7 divided by 10. Here we have to add these two fractions. First we have to find out the LCM of this denominator, LCM of 4 and 10. We know prime factorization of 4 is 2 multiplied with 2, and prime factorization of 10 is 2 multiplied with 5. So LCM of 4 and 10 is 4 multiplied with 5, which is equal to 20. Now we will add these two fractions, 3 divided by 4 plus 7 divided by 10. LCM of 4 and 10 is 20. Now divide this LCM 20 with the denominator 4. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Then multiply the number 5 with the numerator 3. 3 multiplied with 5, which is equal to 15. Then divide 20 with denominator 10. We get 2. 2 multiply 2 with the numerator 7. 7 multiplied with 2 is 14. Now we get 15 plus 14 divided by 20. 15 plus 14 is 29. 29 divided by 20. Now we have to reduce this fraction. We have to convert this fraction into mixed fraction. Just divide the dividend 29 with the divisor 20. 20. We know 29 equal to 20 multiplied with 1 plus 9, where 1 is the quotient and 20 is the divisor and 9 is the remainder. We know mixed fraction equal to quotient remainder divided by divisor. So we get 29 divided by 20 equal to quotient is 1, remainder is 9, divided by divisor is 20. So we get 1, 9 divided by 20, which is a mixed fraction, which is the simplest form and mixed fraction of this addition of this fraction 3 divided by 4 and 7 divided by 10. So we get 3 divided by 4 plus 7 divided by 10 equal to 1, 9 divided by 20. We can add these two fractions in two ways. First way is first convert these two fractions into equivalent fraction separately, then add these two fractions. And second way is first find out the LCM and then divide the LCM with the denominator, then multiply with the numerator of these two fractions, then add these two fractions. Then we get the fraction. We have to convert this into simplest form or the mixed fraction. Just divide the dividend and the divisor. That is the second way. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.